my name is Injoyan. I'm a business development manager at Matrox Graphics. We are at InfoComm 2017 showing our new IPKVM extender XCO3. XCO3 is a secure, full-featured IPKVM extender supporting multiple high-resolution video, keyboard and mouse, USB 2.0, digital or analog audio, and RS-232 signals. All these signals are extended over a standard gigabit Ethernet at very low bit rate, which makes it simple to integrate. You can also easily scale up, add more systems or more users to your setup. In terms of multi-display and resolution support, XCO3 gives you a lot of flexibility. With a single device, you can extend a single 4K 60, 444, or two 4K 30, or four 1080p 60 videos. We have a powerful encoding engine. With our patented technology, we give you excellent remote desktop performance. And also with our device manager software, it's very easy to connect and switch between systems on the network. So you're effectively creating a KVM matrix switching environment using standard networking infrastructure.
Hi, my name is Fadhl Al-Bayaty. I'm the product manager for display wall products at Matrox. What we're showing today at InfoComm 2017 is the Mura IPX encoder and the Mura IPX multiview. Let's start off with the Mura IPX encoder. It's a PCI Express card that's actually a capture card, a decoder, and an encoder as well. Its vision of the product is centered around display wall functionality. So what I mean by that is that card can be placed with any of our multi-display graphic card or third-party graphics in the same system, and it allows you to decode content, capture content, put it up on the display wall, but at the same time encode the entire display wall, remote it to another location, or record it as well. You can also encode regions of interest or specific inputs if you desire to do so. The beauty of this product is that it takes the data over the PCI Express bus, meaning that there is no cabling issues. You don't have to get out of the system to loop back in to do any encoding work. The card is part of the Mura IPX lineup, which means it uses all the softwares and all the APIs and SDKs that have been familiar to all of our customers in the past. Any investment that you make on the API will be carried forward in the future. For the Mura IPX multiview, it's also part of the Mura IPX lineup. However, the difference in that card is that it's a standalone multiview product in the sense that it doesn't need a system to function. It's only a card that needs power on the PCI Express. It doesn't need a CPU, it doesn't need an operating system, doesn't need a hard drive, doesn't need RAM. It just functions as a standalone high-density decoder and display card. It has 4 DP 4K outputs on the card and a network jack to bring in the IP streams.
Hello, my name is Berty, and we're here at InfoComm 2017, and I'm showing you Mavix, the Mavix product line. I am the product manager for that product line, and we started about 3.5 years ago with the Mavix 5100 series, which is a 1080p 60 encoder that can stream or record. We have a decoder that goes along with it that decodes the signal, but you can also just simply use software to decode as well. There's nothing proprietary with our signal or the RTSP stream that it sends it out under. So that product was introduced then. We now have a brand new series of products, which is the 6100 series, and it is a quad 4K encoder that comes in a card, PCI Express by 8 format, or a appliance format with the capabilities to do 4K 30 inputs that can be captured, streamed, and recorded all simultaneously. The card version has a PCI Express interface which only pulls power from the bus. There's no interaction, no DMA memory transfer. It's purely in the system for bus power. So no chance of any type of configuration problem. And these cards can be stacked inside as many as 17 cards for as much density as 68 streams of 4K in a 5U rack space. We also have the appliance version with obviously much more I/O capability, just due to its size. And we have 4 zero latency pass-throughs for each of the 4K inputs. We also have a DisplayPort output that can monitor and give you a quadrant view of the inputs. You have USB for local recording, and you can record onto the network. We also have a screen on the front end of the system that allows you to see all the pertinent information, so stream addresses, IP addresses of the unit, and actually resolution inputs as well. So for installers and operators, some very, very useful information there. There are also push buttons on the front that allow you to start, stop the streams, and program either each stream per button or one button for all streams to start, stop. Finally, we have 2 LAN connectors on it as well for either data for streaming and control on one of the connectors, or just stream data on the second connector, so that you can separate your stream network or your video network from the standard data network that users would be using. Thank you very much. We really appreciate you viewing the video, and please come and see us at matrox.com/graphics Mavix.